Axos Bank Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but not every online bank delivers on its promises. You may have heard about Axos Bank and wondered if it's just another flashy fintech app or if it truly offers a competitive banking experience. The surprising truth about Axos Bank in 2025 is that it has grown into a full-service digital bank with options for checking, savings, CD, and even investment accounts. But is it really worth your time and money, or should you leave it? In this review, we'll cover every angle: the different accounts, fees, interest rates, perks, mobile experience, customer service, security, and real user feedback. By the end, you'll know exactly whether Axos Bank deserves a place in your financial strategy. What is Axos Bank? Axos Bank is a digitally focused national bank based in the United States. Unlike fintech apps that partner with traditional banks, Axos operates as a nationally chartered bank, which means it is FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor. Axos has been around since 2000, but it has increasingly positioned itself as modern, tech-driven alternative to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. One of Axos Bank's main selling points is offering competitive rates and low fees across a variety of accounts, paired with an intuitive online and mobile experience. In 2025, Axos caters to customers who want digital convenience without sacrificing the security or benefits of a traditional bank. Axos Bank account options. Axos offers a range of accounts to suit different needs, including 1. Essential checking 2. Rewards checking 3. High yield savings 4. Money market accounts 5. Certificates of deposit CDS Let's break these down one by one. 1. Essential checking. Essential checking is Axos Bank's entry-level checking account. Key features include no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, access to over 91,000 ATMs nationwide, with reimbursement for out-of-network ATM fees up to $25 per month, mobile check, deposit and online bill pay. The account is designed for everyday banking. You can pay bills, make transfers, and access funds without worrying about traditional bank fees. Example: if you typically pay $10-15 a month for a basic checking account at a traditional bank, switching to Axos Essential Checking can save you $120 $180 per year just in fees. 2. Rewards checking. Axos Rewards checking is for customers who want higher interest on their checking balance Highlights include up to 1.25% APY on balances up to $50,000 subject to qualifying requirements like at least 10 debit card transactions per month, no monthly maintenance fees, fee-free ATMs, and mobile banking, free online bill pay and mobile deposits. Example: with $20,000 in a rewards checking account at 1.25% APY, you could earn $250 annually which is far above what most traditional checking accounts offer. 3. High yield savings. Axos High Yield Savings account is ideal for customers looking to earn competitive interest on their savings Key details: up to 3.75% APY in 2025, no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance required to open automatic savings transfers, and online/mobile access. Example: if you maintain $15,000 in your high yield savings account, you could earn roughly $562 annually compared to less than $20 at a traditional bank with a standard savings account. 4. Money market account. Axos money market accounts combine flexibility with higher interest rates up to 3.50% APY FDIC insured up to $250,000 check writing capabilities and debit card access, no monthly fees, with a minimum balance of $1,500. Money market accounts are ideal for customers who want easy access to funds while still earning interest 5. Certificates of deposit CDS. Axos CDs are designed for savers who can lock in funds for a set term. Terms range from **3 months to 60 months **, competitive fixed APYs, often higher than traditional banks' FDIC insured flexible early withdrawal options, though some penalties may apply. Example: a 12-month CD at 4.00% APY with a $10,000 deposit could earn $400 in interest secured and predictable. Fees and transparency. One of Axos Bank's strengths is fee transparency. Here's a breakdown. No monthly maintenance fees on most accounts, no minimum balance fees on checking and savings accounts, free online banking and mobile deposits, out of network ATM fees reimbursed up to $25/month on checking accounts. Potential fees include wire transfer fees $25 domestic, $35 international, excessive withdrawal fees for money market accounts over 6 withdrawals per month, early CD withdrawal penalties. Compared to traditional banks, these fees are minimal, and Axos clearly communicates them upfront. Digital experience and mobile app. The Axos mobile app is modern, intuitive, and feature-rich. Key features include mobile check, deposit, bill pay and fund transfers, account alerts and notifications, balance tracking and spending insights, easy management of multiple accounts. Users report that the app is responsive, secure, and easy to navigate. Making digital banking convenient even for less tech-savvy customers. Security measures. Axos Bank employs industry-standard security protocols. FDIC insurance up to $250,000 per deposit or two-factor authentication for app login, 256-bit encryption on all transactions, account alerts for unusual activity. These measures provide peace of mind for customers who primarily bank online. Unique features. 1. Early direct deposit: some accounts allow you to access your paycheck up to 2 days early. 2. Rewards checking bonuses: extra interest for maintaining qualifying debit card activity. 3. Automatic savings tools: set goals and schedule recurring transfers to build savings effortlessly. 4. Cash access: while fully digital, Axos partners with networks to provide fee-free ATM access nationwide. Pros and cons. Pros: competitive APYs on checking, savings, and CDs, minimal fees and no monthly maintenance charges, robust digital experience, nationwide fee-free ATM network, multiple account options to suit different needs. Cons: no physical branches for in-person banking, minimum balances required for money market accounts to avoid fees. Some advanced features, like early direct deposit, may have eligibility requirements. Real-world example. Suppose a customer has $20,000 in a high-yield savings account at 3.75% APY, $15,000 in rewards checking at 1.25% APY. In 1 year, savings interest $750, checking interest $187.50, total earned $937.50 in a year without fees or complex investment strategies. Compare this to a traditional bank, where the same balances could earn less than $50 annually. And you can see why Axos can be a smart choice for digital-first savers. How Axos compares to competitors. Chime: Chime offers fee-free checking and savings but generally lower interest rates. Varo Bank: Varo provides higher APYs on savings but fewer account options. Ally Bank: Ally offers competitive rates and full-service banking but lacks some debit card reward programs. Axos stands out by combining high-yield savings, rewards checking, CD, and money market accounts in a single digital-first platform. Is Axos Bank worth it in 2025? If you are comfortable with online-only banking and want high interest on your savings,